In the dead of night, deep inside Russian territory, something unimaginable happened. Two nuclear-capable bombers were reduced to flaming wreckage, not by jets, not by missiles, but by drones launched from over 1,000 kilometers away. This is not science fiction. This is Ukraine's Operation Spiderweb. The targets, two Tupolev Tu-22 M3 strategic bombers. The weapon, kamikaze drones with AI-driven navigation. The result, destruction, confusion, and an unmistakable message to the Kremlin. Why would Ukraine risk such a deep strike? According to intelligence insiders, it wasn't just a tactical hit, it was a warning. We can reach you, and we will. Ukraine's drone fleet is evolving. From hobby drones to military-grade AI systems, these machines can now fly under radar, track heat signatures, and strike with meter-level precision. Some are even 3D printed on the battlefield. For decades, Russia's military was seen as untouchable. But today, its air bases are under siege, not by superpowers, but by cheap, smart, homegrown drones. This levels the battlefield like never before. One drone, two bombers, a ripple effect across continents. Could this really lead to a global war? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more raw, real updates on the wars shaping our world.